Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a new content which is related to the Android development. I have made my previous videos on Android development which belongs to the parking apps. So in this series of videos I'm going to give a tutorial on the secure application for the banking. So today we are moving beyond basics MVVM. We are building a robust scaling application using two powerful platforms, Kotlin architecture and view model. Let's get in the video. So the first one, modern architecture and app structure. The core of your application is business logic and data models, completely independent of Android. The outer layers like your UI and frameworks, room and retrofit depends on this core. This means you can change your database or UI without breaking your business rules. Let's jump into the Android Studio and set up. I'll go into that. I have a core module for my data modules and repositories, a data module for room and the implementations, and feature note module for the UI. They have clear dependencies. The future note module depends on a core, not on the way around. So now for the presentation layer, we use MBI. The key idea is a unidirectional data flow. Every user action like a button click is intent. The view model process this intent interacts with the user cases from our clean architecture and proceeds a new state. The UI observes this state and renders itself. It makes the UI completely predictable. So the next one will be performance and a deep dive into this under development. A beautiful UI means nothing, it's a laggy. Today we are going to deep on performance. We are not just guessing, we are using Android Studio Profiler to find and squeeze junk, memory leaks, and battery drain. The profiler takes us to the problematic code. Uh, I'm for reading a file operation daily on draw method of a custom view. That's a big no. So now I'm filtering my activities class, and there are multiple instances still in memory, even though I have finished them. This is a classic leak. It often because a background thread or a listener is holding a reference to the content. So the solution is to use a view model for long running work and to use weakness references or properly clear listeners in on destroy. So now platform and hardware integration. So the Android platform architecture. So today now we are building one application that works beautifully across all of them. The key is to be adaptive, not just responsive. So let's talk about window size classes. Google always recommend these classes to make high level layout decisions. uh, is the the screen compact like a phone or expanded like a tablet in the landscape? Let's see how to use Jetpack Compose in the next videos. We can collect the windows size class and then structure our application accordingly. So we can check if the device is a tablet or a mobile phone posture, like a folded foot sitting on a table, in case maybe the top half show a video and the bottom half shows the playback controls. And for the ultimate adaptive UI, we use navigation components like sliding pane layout or compose navigation with a list detail structure. On a phone it shows a list, then you click to detail screen. On a tablet it shows both the list and the detail side by side automatically. So that's all in this video. In the next videos I'm going to give you a live demo and the code for developing a secure bank application. So in this video we have learned about the modern architecture and app structure, performance, and a deep dive into the Android development platform and hard integration. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.